Ah. So mag-aaral dyan. Okay. Name. Hoy, hoy. Oh. Yun yung fountain. Ayan na. Ha? Balo ka. Ayan na. Lakad doon, lakad. Nas, lakad doon. Nas, smile ka. Nas. ₱50. Dalawang shot. Ay, dalawang kape po. Dito po kami sa Luneta. Malapit na po ba dito Ocean Park? Ay, sa kabila. Okay, nagdiyan kasi kami. Diyan na po daan yan. May tawiran po dyan. Tanggalin mo na kaya yun. Oh, malalaki.
Ay, nangkikis.
Ah, doon, tabi ka doon, dali. Yun, no? Nash, smile. Oh, ayan na sila. Ayan na, Ocean Park na tayo. Oh. Oh, wow. Ayan na siya. Nash, ayun na yung mga piso. Ayun, laki. Ayun na, Nash. Tingnan mo, Nash. Ayun, laki. Lapit ka, hindi yan. Naka-aquarium yan eh. Wow. Picture mo saan? Saan? Oo nga, no? Grabe naman. Dito tayo sa kabila. Ang lalaki, no? Ito na siya. Nash dito.
Party yan si Games. Tara, picture tayo sa gusto mo. Ganda yung guys. Ganyan talaga yun. Okay, picture ako kung maganda.
Ah. Ito na siya, Nash. Ang laki, oh. Ang lalaki. Grabe. Cute. Ang laki na. Ayun na siya.
Picturean mo ako, Mek. Ano yung black? Ano yung black, Dad?
Anong picture? Ay, ano yan? Ewan ko kung anong fish yan. Ayun, may puti, oh. May wait na ako. Ayun, oh. Laba naman ang uso. Huwag mo mong kalamin ako. Cute. Cute. Lalaki na ko. Nash. Team. Linis, oh. Laki, oh. Oh, yan. Maganda. Maganda pag video. Pang video lang yan. Video ka lang video. Tapos i-post mo. Ah, pwede ka mag-picture dyan, oh. Picture. Pang video malinaw yan. Ayun, dami pa, oh, sa taas, oh. Ang ganda. Dito ba yon? Ayan, picture mo si Jen. Ayun anak ko, abot mo. Kita? Yan pala na siya. Kita mo, buhatin mo nga siya. Tara.
Nakaya na na baby tatay.
Hindi daw niya nakita yung
Ito na lang yun.
Ay, alam ko yan, lalapit.
Ang galing.
nagpapakita ang kilay.
Hello, si Nashi. Birthday ni Nashi. Ayun, kapakitang gilas oh. La. Kapakitang gilas sana siya, ayun oh. Saan? Bigay mo ulit yung QR code dan. Yung QR code? Hello. Nas pagang oh. Turtle oh. No. Huwag mo ano yung kamay mo.
Ay, dalawa.
Wala. Dalawa no? Ano to laman ito? Ano meron dyan? Sa anak? Tarantula? Tarantula ba yan? Ano ba yan? Ano base?
Wala yun.
Oh.
Look. Ang haba ng bunto. Ayun nanay nila. Ayun o, nasa ilalim.
Nahiya. Baka mabasag ah.
Tuti o, mas magaling.
Yo.
Tingnan mo. Bayawak.
Saan?
Nandito ka turtle. Bayawak naman. Bayawak. Ang tabi o.
Tulog. Ang cute oh. Tulog.
Turtle. Laki. Namamalit niya. Oo, ganda.
Mago.
Ganda. Ito talaga, be, kulay green.
Wow, no.
Tulog. Ay, kalasa.
Grabe. Nas, isa. Ayun na, may birthday lang. Tarantula. Tsaka golden meat. Tarantula. Laki ah. Tarantula oh. Grabe, Spider-Man. Laki no? Yan yung this one's movie.
Oh, smile guys, smile!
Oh, grabe oh. Nakatakot yung ano niya oh.
Kaya dapat lahat
Binibigyan. Ay, nakatingin na oh. Turtle oh. Hello. Nasa laki oh, snake oh. Cobra daw eh. Tingnan mo yung pangalan. Basahin mo. Python o ano. Tingnan mo. Diba? Grabe oh.
Doon ay sobrang
Bak tinuklaw ka niyan. Grabe.
Ayun yung sobrang laki.
Wow. Ang laki.
Ano? Ayun yung sobrang laki kasi. Ano?
Ball python. Cute.
Parang slime. Parang pupok. Kulay.
Python. Ito na ko. Nakaganda ng kulay oh. Gray.
Ito rin oh.
Ito yung sa taas, gray black.
Ito. Talaga.
Ito na ko. Hindi mo.
Look.
Pinaluputan ka.
Kamandok yun. Sakal ka niya. Ito.
Ano?
Ayun siya. Nagalo.
Nasya, tingnan mo to.
Ito, sobrang laki. Kasi dyan siya na.
Bakit?
Mapasa ba tayo?
Ala, ala. Galing oh. Galing na siya.
Her name is Naira. Together with her review, say hi! While on the other side, the youngest female South American feline that we have. And our first singer, she is Ceci, yes!
Galing oh.
Oh, look, and driver, her name is Sandra. Together with her baby, say hello! Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why the gold fish or the earthquake moving on? Any idea? Do you have birds? Well, let's ask them. Hey, baby, do you have birds? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The bird's wing bird may be also translated as wing to them. See their flippers to look the like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater.
Ano yung kinakain niya?
Being from place to place like this. And you know, they're often staying like a team because they look very much alike. But some differences between the two and a sea lion is the fact they are bigger, broad, different. And they can also turn their back flippers something they cannot do. As a result, they can both fly while on land. And that's the final conclusion of Orlando for Feline Back. And you know what, guys? They have themselves and flexible neck. How does it work? Well, check it out. So there's no light over at the little block for Feline Back. As you can see, they're riding over the people on board here. And the research help the sea lion and the that. They will take her, fibers between them. and TV. Wow, nice five. Hey! They may all be the leaders to end navigation or to set by the water. And the water lead them all check
Oh, tingnan mo yung sila yun, oh, kumakain siya. Pag sumusunod siya, kung pinapakain siya. Ang galing lang mo ngayon. No? Oh.
They have excellent ability, which can easily save Rocky Now let's talk about the meaning of the beach and the third week Jack Williams. He likes carrying good to the round 11 miles per hour. Using the low movement of the cross river. While the black people are spread out behind the right, functioning as rather more urine. And that's the normal beach. Nice and easy. Thank you, Highlight.
Galing yan. No? Galing niya na. Nag-i-slide din ang mukha nito naman.
Ready, set, drop. 25 miles per hour. That is so fast.
Bilis lang
Our
ulit.
brother from Florida, drop. Yeah. Wow, nice diver. And another one. Peter Pan. Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has played on the ocean to take part in special operations? Yeah, that's right. Very well over for up to 20
Kunyari, naiiyak mo. Naiiyak sa kunyari.
abilities that even the best Navy diver will hit and get off. And since they have been detected by the radar underwater, there are 200 recognizing a voice underwater flying. Okay, ladies, are you ready? Well, then, now let's work. Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 2. Now this time, if you think you're not feel like anything, you can also 3, everybody finish the loop and this is one down. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Okay, ready now. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Take it so far. Well, still like we're walking to third and we cover the defense from the water. Hey, to all.
Yan ang laking bola. Babola na.
Going to get the refill line, right? And they got it. All over for Iowa. Where's your baby? And another one. They have to for that. So there's one at the ball. How do you think they get the ball? It is ball time. Everybody,
Galing.
almost there. Careful. Steady and excellent work, baby. Now, this time, we would love to hear that number from
Ang galing yun, oh. Ang galing yun.
Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to be there? Well, here's my book.
Galing, no?
Hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here in Waika with your new mom friends. And celebrate your feeling, Ira and Joshua. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember,
Oh, galing ah. Ano yan niya, be?